Here's a retake of an Otis Gen 2 ReGen. At 97 Elizabeth Street. Should be able to go up to one safely.
Level 1.
So there's an additional 2 Otis Gen 2 ReGens, which I won't be able to film.
Basement. Level 1.
1000 kilograms, 13 persons, elevator 5. Run install controls and phone, step EB960 blue. Oh, there are other colours as well. Machine number 31F8219.
Basement.
Design number V07023888. And turn by Otis, obviously. Because, well, this is a brand new install for me. Have you?
Lower
Or
ground.
generic of the Otis ReGens I've seen. Okay. What is it?